In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Temu recent orders. If you've placed an order on Temu and want to quickly check what you bought, where it is, or when it's expected to arrive, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on either an Android phone or an iPhone. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you're using the app itself, since that's where your recent orders are easiest to view. Once the app opens, sign into your Temu account if you aren't already logged in. This is important because your order history is tied to your account, so you'll need to be signed in to see your purchases. After you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap You. This section is where Temu keeps your personal account information, settings, and purchase history. If you've never explored this tab before, think of it as your main account hub. Inside that section, tap your orders or orders, depending on the version of the app you're seeing. Temu sometimes labels this area a little differently, but both options take you to the same place, your order history. Once you open the orders page, your most recent purchases should appear at the top of the list. That makes it easy to find the latest order without needing to scroll through older purchases. If you've ordered multiple items recently, you'll usually see them organized in order from newest to oldest. To get more information about a specific purchase, tap on any order in the list. This opens the full order details page where you can check the current order status, view tracking information, confirm which items were included in that purchase, and see the estimated delivery date. This is especially useful if you're waiting for a package and want to know whether it has shipped, is still in transit, or is close to arriving. If you don't immediately see the order you're looking for, double check that you're signed into the correct account. That's a common reason an order may seem to be missing. Also, give the app a moment to load if your connection is slow, since recent purchases may take a second to appear. And that's all it takes to find your recent Temu orders. Open the app, sign in, go to You, tap Orders, and select any purchase to see all the important details.